Hi everyone, this is Debbie with FoodPrepping channel, and it's the video before this. If you didn't watch it, I'm sorry that I've been away. I've just had, I don't know, my mom has got dementia and she was in the hospital, and I've had a hard time dealing with this, and it's just really made me think about things. And then I got hooked on Switched at Birth, which was a TV series that was on the ABC Family channel, and I watched all of that. And then the next thing was Pretty Little Liars, and it was 7 seasons of that. So that took me a good 2 weeks. And I mean, I binge watched those, and I kind of went off keto, and I've been eating a lot of hamburgers from the little store down the street from me, and I've still bought things to fix keto, but I haven't really cooked them. And yesterday, Julie and I went through the freezer, my refrigerator freezer, and I had a lot of things a lot of like leftovers that I had put in there, and I just ended up throwing all of it away. And I mean, not all of it, but a lot of the leftover stuff, like the stuff I cooked and then refroze or whatever. And so today I'm just fixing a dish. In here I have 4 Italian sausage links that I took the casings off of and put in here, and I have 4 hamburger patties that I had frozen, and mixed these together. I'm gonna put I cut up some green bell peppers to go with ranch dressing, some homemade ranch dressing that I had made, ranch dip. And I'm putting these in here, and I'm just going to let this cook. And I've got a pack of great value onion soup mix. I'm going to put that in here. And then I've got a bag of broccoli slaw that I'm going to put in here, along with some chicken broth. And I mean, this is just totally something that I've thought of. I've got to use the meats and stuff that are in my refrigerator freezer, and I just cannot buy any more meats. That's just all it is to it. I can't. The only thing I'll be buying is hamburger and steaks, and because I have got so much meat, I have 3 freezers, and I just have so much meat that it's unbelievable. So I'm cooking this, and I've got some squash, some yellow squash, and some zucchini that I'm going to cook. I've got a roast that I've got to cook, and I've got some New York strip steaks that I'm going to grill on the grill. This is Wednesday before Easter, April the 21st. So I don't think I'm going to see anybody. I think that I don't know what's going on or whatever, but I've just been like depressed and all with my mom and everything that's going on in my life, and I have been in so much pain. It's been damp around here, and I don't know whether that's it, but my legs, my joints, my bones, everything in my shoulders and all, I've been really in a lot of pain, and I've had to take more pain pills, which makes me sleepy. And when I did, for those of y'all that didn't know, I've smoked pretty much my whole life, and I'm 62, so I started smoking when I was 18, so figure it out. And almost 7 weeks ago, I quit smoking cigarettes and started vaping. Now, I think I've had 6 cigarettes in that period of time. And that's only if somebody comes over and I'm sitting around talking, and I don't know, when I'm just here by myself or whatever, it doesn't bother me. But if a bunch of people are over here and we're sitting around talking, I will invariably ask for a cigarette. So that's why the six cigarettes. I think maybe, let's see, I smoked one the day before yesterday, so I think it's 7 cigarettes, and it'll be 7 weeks Friday. So I'm doing really good. I've read a lot on vaping. I don't know how I feel about it. I've heard a lot of people say that it's just as bad to vape, but it can't be. It just cannot be. There's 7,000 different chemicals in a cigarette, and I don't think there's many in vaping. So, but anyway, I'm going to cook this, and I'll bring you back in just a little while. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is brown. It's not all the way brown, but it's done good enough for me to go in and put the stuff in and just let it cook down. So I'm going to put 1 pack of the onion soup mix in here. Alright. And instead of putting chicken broth in here, I've got 1 cup. And I know you can't see this, but it's about... well, it's 2 cups of water, about 2 cups of water in here. Alright. And I've got chicken bouillon. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in here. This is chicken. Maybe a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. And then I've got 2 of these little beef bouillon cubes. Let me show you. These are going in here. I'm gotta go on and use up all my stuff, so I'm just doing that. And all right, so 2 of those in here, and then I'm gonna go on and put the broccoli slaw in here. Then I'm going to stir this all up. And if I do need some more water or whatever, I'll put some more in here. But right now, I think that I'm okay. I'm just going to have to keep stirring this, but I'm going to put the lid on it now, and I'm going to cook it probably for, I've got it on 240, which is medium low, I guess. And I'm going to let this cook for 30 to 45 minutes. I'll just have to keep checking it and stirring it and see how it does. So I'll bring you back when this gets done. Okay, I'm back. All right, I'm going to go on and cut off the New Wave. All right, I've put some on the plate, and I only cooked it for, let's see, 25 minutes. I let it boil for 25 minutes or whatever, because I didn't want the broccoli slaw to just like disintegrate. And so I've got this on the plate, and I'm going to taste it now and see what it tastes like. I've just got it on a paper plate, and I'm just using plastic fork or whatever because it's nobody here but me. So all right. Wow. I'm going to take another bite, but wow. Oh my gosh, that is so good. And I'm glad I went on and put the green pepper in there. It's a half a bag. It's a half of a green pepper in there. This is perfect. The broccoli slaw is just the right texture, consistency, whatever you want to say. That is perfect. I really like this. All right. The recipe for this will be in the description box below. You've got to try this. It is really good, and this Italian sausage has just made this dish. That is, oh my gosh, it's good. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to different things that I use that you can purchase at Amazon. And I hope you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.